Hey everyone, Alex here. Welcome to another edition of the Bandsaw Life. Now today I want to show you a major upgrade to my bandsaw box's Powermatic Oscillating Spindle Sander. It is built like a steel ship. It is absolutely one of the best I've ever seen. And when it comes to getting to the inside, sometimes it can be pretty challenging, especially with some of the spindle sanders that are out there. They have a big nut on the top, so there's no way to get on the inside. Well, Powermatic has solved that with their own spindles, and obviously each one of these is a different size so that each spindle has its own throat plate, and these are heavy duty as it gets. Now it's a 1-horse motor, single phase. The table cast iron, heavy, quiet. Not only does it oscillate, but it also tilts, which I'm going to show you here. It has incredible amount of storage underneath for all your different parts. I'm going to show you how everything goes into place. We'll put a spindle in and show you just what this thing can do. Now it has storage for every throat plate and every oscillating head. So everything just fits neatly into place. And each spindle has its own place as well. All right, now I want to install this beefy boy right here. It's really heavy, and it basically absorbs a lot of the vibration when you try to sand something that large. The way that we do that is we just take our throat plate out, take the nut off the top there, go. Drop that into place, and we'll tighten that up as well. Now, like I said, these throat plates are really nicely made. They've got the notch for the pin. And again, doesn't get much quieter or smoother than that. Now the other nice thing about this sander, not only has it got a nice surface to work with and sand, but we can also angle our piece so that we can take a tapered sand. They really have thought of everything when it comes to this. Now, you can also turn the oscillator off if you need to, just to be able to clean things up. But I got to tell you, I can't wait to show you some of the videos that I'm going to do with the bandsaw box when it comes to doing sanding on the inside. Thanks for watching, y'all. Hey, everyone. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more Bandsaw Life content.